Welcome everyone to lecture 5 of Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. In this lecture, I will explain about some of the examples of supervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning. So the first one is identifying the zip code from handwritten digits on an envelope. So here the image is the scan of the handwriting and the desired output is the actual digits in the zip code. So to create a dataset for building a machine learning model, you need to collect many envelopes. Then you can read the zip codes yourself and store the digits as your desired outcomes. Second one is determining whether a tumor is benign or malignant based on a medical image. Here the input is the image and the output is whether the tumor is benign. So to create a dataset for building a model, you need a dataset of medical images. You also need an expert opinion, so a doctor needs to look at all the images and decide which tumor are benign and which are not. And the third one is the detecting fraudulent activity in credit card transaction. So here the input is a record of credit card transaction and the output is whether it is likely to be fraudulent or not. So assuming that you are the entity distributing the credit cards, collecting a dataset means storing all transactions and recording if a user reports any transaction as fraudulent. So one interesting point in all three examples is that although the input and output looks fairly straightforward, the data collection process for these three tasks is vastly different. So the data collection process of all the applications are different. For example, in the first case, reading envelope is laborious and it is easy and cheap. On the other hand, getting the medical image of brain is expensive one.